thinking, we broke this today, bent it, and I have broke it a few times. That's why there's sleeves in here.
Yeah.
That was a joke when I built it.
Okay.
I tacked it on here, and because there was this dude that was building a rig that had like this giant stinger on it.
Yeah.
And it was this big joke going around Facebook and everything.
Yeah.
So I put the stinger on like this tall. My winch line I would run through here.
Okay.
And pick up axles and stuff.
Right. Use it as like a cherry picker almost.
Yeah, use it as a cherry picker to move axles and stuff around. I've liked it, but it's driving me nuts. There's been a few times that I've got into tight spots where that is hitting.
Right, like in Sand Hollow
Yeah.
on Nasty Half.
Yeah, where that's hitting to get around where I want it to go, so I want to lose it. Like, let's just get rid of it.
Bingo.
What do you think?
Honestly, it looks decent.
Yeah. Okay, now hold on to it there.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, you could take your shoes off. We could have a whole day. A day of dedication.
Dandy.
Preparations are nearly complete.
Yeah.
Ooh, hey, that's pretty darn close.
Not the worst I'd use, but all right.
It's lining up pretty darn straight with the lines in the grill.
Perfect. That's what we want.
Okay. Yeah, you might want to double check it with your micrometer.
Okay, I'm digging it.
Alright, so now we are on to the challenging portion of this endeavor. Making the second one match the first one.
It's still further out, so we need to keep trimming in.
I'd say put a light tack on it there.
All right.
Here it is. Found it.
Got the bumper all finalized. Done there. I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to run a tube from here to here to kind of tie this tube and this tube together just for looks, but it would also block the headlights, so I may or may not do it. I haven't decided. And since I haven't decided, just not going to do it. But anyway, so that gives it a little better approach, something to slide on, because the old tube was up here. So this one's kind of sliding down. I bent this up because of dropping on stuff, so now I've got kind of a slider there. So I think that'll work, but we're gonna pull this off. This is the one that we almost lost down in St. George when we were running around in Sand Hollow with Matt. So we're gonna pull this off and do new wheel spacers, which I have. Alright, so we are on, where are we at? We are on Cotter Mine Road. We are headed up 7 Mile Rim. We're gonna go up here and get a Can-Am. We gotta go way over here to get there. We got the recovery trailer behind us. We got Mike with us slinging the camera. Hi. We're gonna go get this and get it back down to the road for them so they can get it home and get it fixed. Alright.
Here we go. What's Google telling us?
Nothing good.
Nothing good? Okay.
It says we need to go back down to the highway and come up 313 and come in.
Oh, what? Yeah, thanks, Google. Side by sides. Side by side. There was a magic moment. That side by side right there. He was driving along and almost hit that bush because he was staring at this so hard. I wonder what broke it. Alright, so here is the machine. Looks like the knuckle has broken the ball joint. Or the ball joint is still good. Knuckle is broken.
Not performing very well.
Your performance is substandard.
But like, I mean, look at that, Mike. You can zoom in on this. I don't care. Like, there's nothing there. So there's no reason to not have this be
that could be
larger.
A lot meatier.
Yeah.
Made out of hopes and dreams and zip ties.
Where's the secret passcode?
Wait, did you get it? How'd you do it?
See this cable?
Yeah.
There's a secret handle. Now you reach inside.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. You gotta know the secret handshake.
I feel dumber now that I know it.
Yeah. You gotta know the secret handshake. You gotta have two buddies help you. It's very, very complex.
All right.
Okay, that way just a little. All right, let it roll. Oh. Let me pull you a little. Okay.
It was about 37?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you get to work.
No, you're good. You're
Have a good day.
Right there, right there.
Straight facts.
So we got them, we just winched them off of our trailer onto their trailer. So that went fairly smooth. We had to winch the back of the side-by-side over. It wasn't really lining and jiving, but it went pretty good. So there's that. So now we are headed off back to the shop. Well, let's go do lunch.
Yeah,
We're gonna go do lunch, then we'll go to the shop. We should have our transmission cooler by then.
Right.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. All right, back to the shop. Thanks for watching, guys. You know what? You know what that and a space rock could have in common?
What's that?
They could be a little meteor.
Little meteor. There's Highway 191 right down there. That's Courthouse Wash, that big canyon right there. That goes up into Arches National Park. We got the LaSalle Mountains hiding right over there. But yeah, this region right there, that's Arches National Park. There's...
Right over Turk. Where is it? Where is it?
Which one?
Is that Fiery Furnace?
No, that's Klondike
over
Bluffs.
there.
Fiery
That's over
Furnace would be
Over that way.
kind of off in that region. But you can see an arch. I believe it's Skyline Arch, which I know It's hard to see. I'm sorry.
See it.
Yeah, here, let me
Trust
zoom
us.
out. Now can you? How about now? Enhance.
There ain't enough intense.